We have a demand function and a supply function before taxation. What tax per item will maximize the tax revenue? So the first step is to take your supply function and impose a tax. So 20 plus 9Q, and then add the tax on. And then the demand function will remain as 128 minus 2Q squared. And then you set supply equal to demand. So 20 plus 9Q plus T will be 128 minus 2Q squared. And then isolate T in this equation so that you get a formula that will build T based on Q. So let me subtract 20 and subtract 9Q. T will be 128 minus 20 is 108, and then I had negative 2, that was a Q squared, and then negative 9Q, those aren't similar, so they don't combine. So now I have T built on Q. So I could start with Q and then build the amount of tax T, and from those I could make tax revenue because tax revenue is T times Q. Okay, let's get this set up. So Q units and T is the tax per item, and then total tax revenue. Start off somewhere, 1. Then the tax per item is 108 minus 2 times, get the Q and square it, minus 9 times value of Q. Tax revenue is tax times units. Okay, if I do 2 units and copy the formulas down, revenue's going up. Let's see. The revenue goes up for a while and then it goes down. Looks to me, the best I can see is right there at 3. Let's pull in solver. I'll use my top row because it's close to the given data point. Set the value of the tax revenue to a maximum by changing the corresponding number of units on the same row. So row 12, row 12. Solve. So 3 units, 63. And Excel has, that's just the limits of the precision within Excel. At 63, at 3 units, the answer was exactly 63.